how to install Miui camera on any Xiaomi device running a custom ROM which is based on AOSP and Android 11. Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video, and finally, we have a build of Miui camera available for any Xiaomi device, which includes Xiaomi, Redmi, and the ever so independent Poco. And this is for those of you who are running custom Android 11 ROMs which are based on AOSP. The keyword here is Android 11 and AOSP. What are the prerequisites? Well, you do need to be rooted using Magisk and need to have Magisk Manager installed, and no, this cannot be done without root. As you can see, I do have the Poco F1 which is running Evolution X ROM, which is of course based on Android 11, and the sources are from AOSP. I also have Magisk Manager installed and my device is rooted. How do you get this Android 11 Miui camera? Well, for starters, you need to go to the website which is linked in the description of this video. And this here is the website which we are talking about, camera.aeonax.com. Once you are on the home page, next thing we need to do is tap on downloads. It is going to take us to the downloads section, and here as you can see we have a version for Android R or Android 11. Tap on click to expand. Once that is done, this is the file which we are looking for, ANX Camera Unity 185R, and the size of course is 258.5 MB. So let me select the file and then tap on download. Let us wait for the file to download. In the meantime, sooner or later they might have a new version of this ANX camera or Miui camera for Android 11, and if that is the case, feel free to use the latest version which is available on their website. Now for this specific version, the version which is 185, we also need another add-on for portrait mode to work. So this is the one which we are looking for. It is in the add-ons section, and here it is, 48 MP fix for R or Android 11, and we will just select this file, tap on download, and the website wants permission to download multiple files. We'll just select allow, and now we have to wait for both of these files to download. So the file was successfully downloaded on the Poco F1, and I downloaded it on my Redmi K20 Pro as well, which is running Fluid 1.1. Next thing we need to do is we will open Magisk Manager, and now we need to go into the modules option, which is the fourth option in the floating bar. Select install from storage. This is going to open the file manager application. Next thing, 3-bar menu on the top left, and select your device's name. Now you need to navigate to the folder where the file was downloaded. So it will be in the download folder. The first file which we need to select is this ANX Camera Unity version 185 for Android 11, and then we have to wait for Magisk to do its thing, which is to install the module. Now while the module is installing, a few more things I would like to mention is that in case you run into any issues, you have to report them with a proper format in their Telegram group, which is linked in the description of this video. Next thing, once that module is installed, we are going to reboot our device, and the other module which we downloaded, which is your 48 MP fix for Android 11, you have to use that if and only if portrait mode is not working for you. So we are going to check that out in this video, and if needed we are going to install that module. Also, another thing I would like to mention is that in case you have a boot loop because of this Magisk module, well, in that case we do have a separate video showing you how to fix a boot loop caused by a Magisk module, which can be found in the description of this video. So both the devices have booted back into Android. we will open Magisk Manager, go into the modules tab, and as you can see, ANX Camera module is installed and active on both the devices. Next up, we are going to press and hold on ANX Camera, go into application info, check permissions. As you can see, none of the permissions are granted. Let us check on the Poco F1 as well. So again, none of the permissions are granted. So we have to grant those permissions manually. In case the permissions are granted, even in that case, I would suggest that you disable the permissions, that is, deny them, and then allow them, because that is what the developer recommends. So as you can see, files and media, it says allow management of all files, but when I go back, it is denied. So let me deny this, go back, files and media, allow management, tap on allow one more time, and now files and media is in the allowed section. Similarly, let us do that for the microphone as well, and let us choose allow only while using the application. Now I'm going to repeat all these steps on the Poco F1 as well. So location, allow only while using the application, microphone same, and again files and media, outside it says denied, inside it says allow management of all files. So we're going to deny it, go back into files and media, allow it, and then tap on allow. Next thing, we are going to open the ANX camera application, and as you can see, it crashed, but we have to be persistent. Again, let's do it one more time, and this time around it should work. So again, it's not working on the Redmi K20 Pro. Let us try out the Poco F1. So here it is, viewfinder is there, but it's not working. It keeps on crashing. So let me try it one more time, and bam, there it is. You can see it is working without any issues on the Poco F1. We are able to take a picture. Let us try recording a video. Video recording is also working. Portrait mode is giving us an error. So because we're getting an error in portrait mode, next thing, let us go back into Magisk Manager and try to install the 48MP fix. Now once that is done, let us reboot both the devices. So the K20 Pro has booted back into Miui. Let us try to open ANX camera and see if it works. So as you can see, it is not working on the K20 Pro, and let us try the Poco F1 now. Try to go into portrait mode, and again we're still getting the error for can't connect to camera. So looks like portrait mode is broken, and we will have to report it for Poco F1 in their respective group. And unfortunately for the K20 Pro, nothing is working, but that is how Android mods are. Anyways, there it is, peeps. That is how you install ANX camera on any Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco device running a custom ROM which is based on AOSP and Android 11. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.